38%. Bitcoin just flew 38%, hampir 40% dari minggu lepas. So masa ni it looked like, nampak macam dia break ke bawah trend line, right? But it managed to create a higher high. Remember, kita telah bincang di video minggu lepas, as long as it can keep above this high, this low, right? As long as dia buat a higher low, we could see a continuation up, right? That's why it's very important to have multiple plans, right? Kita sebagai trader, sebagai investor, kita tak boleh buat satu plan and kita tak boleh cakap this is how it will be, right? Sebab kita tak boleh kawal market. We need to have plan A, plan B, plan C. If plan A fails, what is the next course of action? Okay, so right now Bitcoin is sitting around 33k. So mari kita tengok what is the next move for Bitcoin. And I have something special untuk share dengan korang pada hujung video ni, so make sure you guys stay until the end. Tanpa membuang masa, mari kita start. So Bitcoin, we pumped up here. If we take a look at the Bitcoin CME, you guys can see there were ada CME gap dekat bawah which we were expecting to fill, but we did not fill this CME gap. And of course the bigger CME gap yang dari March lagi masih belum filled. But I think I've mentioned in one of the videos that dekat atas ni pun ada CME gap, right? So CME gap ni dia bukan guaranteed kena fill. It's about 65% chance that it will be filled, right? And in terms of trading, 65% is a good probability, right? More than 50% is a great probability. So this CME gap was filled, right? It could act as a level of resistance juga. Okay, so right now kita dah flip our yearly high, harga tertinggi untuk tahun ni, yeah, which was in July. Harga Bitcoin tertinggi tahun ni, kita dah break and claim above. We've already filled this CME gap. So what could happen now? Okay, there's a few things that could happen. Let's go to the Bitcoin chart. So this is the current Bitcoin chart. Nampak kita sudah break and close above this high. So I'm just going to switch this to a red line and let's make it key SNR level, right? So this key SNR level very important sebab kita nak nampak Bitcoin claim level ni lah betul-betul. We want to see that price can stay above this level. So what I'm expecting to see, this is the 4-hour time frame. I'm expecting to see Bitcoin consolidate dekat area sini, maybe create a range in this area, maybe for the next week. Okay, for this next week, maybe even till next 2 weeks, right? Sebab you can see in the previous times pun, bila kita ada sebuah pump, we will have a consolidation dekat sini, right? So this consolidation was yeah, let's go to daily time frame. So the last pump, or the last big pump, we're just taking an example. The last big pump we consolidated for 57 days. So lebih kurang 2 bulan, right? Lebih kurang 2 bulan. And another pump before that, let's look at this one here. About 88 days. So lebih kurang 3 bulan, right? So we will have a consolidation. It's likely, not 100% guaranteed, but it's likely we will have a consolidation at least for a week or so. And dalam minggu tu, apa yang kita nak tengok ialah kita nak tengok, number one, kita nak tengok Ethereum catch up dengan Bitcoin. Number two, kita nak tengok large cap crypto coins catch up dengan Bitcoin. And number 3, kita nak tengok altcoins catch up to Bitcoin. Right, sebab masa Bitcoin berehat ni, that is the time that all these other coins should try and catch up in movement. Okay, so for now the Bitcoin plan, so-called plan lah, ialah we want to see range and stay above this key SNR level. Okay, sebab we are in a new yearly high. Untuk tahun ni kita sudah gerak, kita sudah pump Oh my goodness, 122%. Oh, wow. So technically this year is a bull run, right? The whole year has been a bull run. We are up 122% guys. Wow. Tanya siapa yang dapat hold dari sini first January. So very exciting stuff untuk tahun ni. Okay, but yeah, so this is the plan for Bitcoin. I want to see it create a nice strong range. So if you're looking to trade, wait till Bitcoin forms a proper range. Tunggu dia buat high and low yang jelas, and then you can just trade within that range. Okay, this is the daily time frame. Right, so but macam kita cakap tadi, we want to see the other altcoins catch up to Bitcoin. Sebab kalau kita tengok Ethereum, kita masih jauh lagi. We're still so far from the yearly high. The yearly high is here. Nampak? 2146. Kita masih dekat sini. We haven't even broken the previous month high, right? When was this? August punya high. We haven't even broken August high. Okay, so that's why we want to see if Bitcoin can consolidate. Kita boleh bagi ruang kepada semua altcoin lain untuk catch up to Bitcoin, right? Because we still have a lot of room to catch up to. About 18% untuk Ethereum. Yeah. So Ethereum for now, the next roadblock is the August high, which is this one. Once kita boleh break dari sini, then we have officially broken out of this range here. Yeah, this big thick range. So once we break out from here, then the next level would be this daily level here. Yeah, so maybe once it breaks here, we could get a consolidation here for a bit, and then next level again would be the yearly high. So this is the ultimate challenge lah. Once kita boleh break dari sini, kalau Ethereum break dari sini, I think altcoin memang akan terbang. Okay, sekarang pun kita sudah nampak altcoin terbang. But kalau bila Ethereum terbang, that's when the alt season betul-betul mengganas. Okay, so be ready for that. Be ready for that. It's possible that it could happen. Another thing is Litecoin. So Litecoin ialah sebuah contoh a large market cap coin lah, right? So Litecoin still super far, lebih jauh dari Ethereum. We still have about 64% to gain, right? We're still so low. Is Litecoin barely bergerak, barely, right? It's only moved berapa persen ni? It's only moved like 20%. For Litecoin, which is an altcoin, it's only moved 20%, right? Which is not a lot. And we want to see it claim above this level, right? We talk about these big moves, these gaps, right? Fair value gaps, right? Kita nak tengok dia isi balik fair value gap ni, right? Before we can talk about moving higher. So for Litecoin, we want to see it refill this fair value gap sebelum dia boleh sambung naik. Same thing Bitcoin. That's what Bitcoin did. Nampak? We had these gaps here, dia isi balik, and then dia sambung naik. Okay, once dia isi ni, dia akan consolidate sekejap, then there's possibility dia akan terbang balik. Okay, so same thing with these other coins. Ethereum sudah isi dekat sini. So if you can see this, it's already filled in the gaps. So it's possible we could get a move from Ethereum like this. But Litecoin, still very sad, right? Very sad. Yeah, and sekarang pun dia sedang rejecting daily candle. Tengok dia punya daily candle. Not very promising. Big rejection candle here. So we will see how it goes for Litecoin, but keep an eye on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Sebab kalau dua ni terbang, a lot of altcoins could start to fly. Now pun we can see a lot of altcoins flying. BLZ, Solana, Link, a lot. So yeah, that's for the Bitcoin update. So keep an eye on the range. Keep an eye on this key SNR level about 318K. Right, this is the important yearly high level that we want to respect. Okay, in terms of roadblock, again we talk about these gaps here. So nampak these are gaps that we want to see filled. So possibly if we can fill this gap, the next level we're looking at is 39K, about 40K. Yeah, so if we can respect this key SNR level, we might get a move up to 40K. Okay, but remember right now we are within this zone. Kenapa saya letak zone macam ni? Sebab tengok, kita dalam zone ni antara CME gap dengan key level. Okay, so support and resistance, that is our current zone lah, our current range, right? So that's a quick update for Bitcoin, Ethereum and some altcoins. Saya nak share sikit a few things that I gave in the elite circle actually. Let me just show you. So saya share ni Silo and SHIB. Okay, so Silo and SHIB. Silo sudah terbang about 12%. Yeah, so very very nice. I think we should be setting break even for this trade. SHIB terbang about 5%. Kalau dia pull back, ini daily time frame. Kalau dia pull back, we might get another possibility to enter here. Okay, around the maybe we aim for a pullback to the 0.5. So around 7157, we can wait for a pullback if we want to re-enter. Another trade yang I'm looking at is this fit fee right here. So let's look at 4 hour. Big move, big break, right? And then we pull our fib golden pocket lines up with this support zone. So this could be a nice area to take a long at, right? Around 4056, maybe even down to about 3895. Okay, so sekarang Bybit dia ada scaled order. So maksudnya anda boleh layer anda punya trade. Saya tunjuk anda contoh. Let me show you an example. So if we go to Bybit, okay, Bybit USDT perpetual. Okay, let's say this is Bitcoin. Let's go to 15 minutes. So let's say saya nak enter Bitcoin long, ya. Saya nak enter Bitcoin long. So saya tarik saya punya Fibonacci sini. And then saya rasa saya nak enter dekat sini. But I feel like maybe price might pull back even deeper. So let's say saya ambil zone ni sebagai saya punya entry. Okay, so this is my entry zone. So kalau korang pernah tengok orang trade forex, korang pernah nampak tak dorang layer banyak trade, banyak entry dalam sebuah zone. So now you can do the same thing dengan Bybit, right? So what you can do is, once korang dapat korang punya zone sini, korang kira dulu, kira berapa korang nak enter. So take a look at this. Ambil the start of your zone, which is here 33601. So let's take 33601, and then kita kira dulu our expected loss. Okay, so we want to calculate our expected loss so that we can plan berapa kita nak set untuk layer. Okay, so let's say we set our trade like this. Stop loss ni, and kita nak enter dalam zone ni lah. So within this zone. Okay, so kita let's set dulu limit order, and then take our order the start of the zone 33601, and we calculate our stop loss first. So what is our potential loss, right? So let's say kita letak 20 USDT cost. What is the loss? 32533. So we could expect to lose 63 USDT. Okay, let's say kita punya loss limit ialah 50 USDT, right? So kita adjust sikit. Okay, so now our expected loss ialah 50 USDT kalau kita enter dari atas sini. Okay, so next thing you want to do, take note berapa quantity ni. Okay, 0.042. Okay, next thing you want to do, pergi ke tools, or just tekan sini conditional ni, tekan, and pergi scale orders. Alright, so now you can set your price range, dari mana anda nak enter. Okay, so kita nak enter dari sini 33601 33601 until sini 33131 33131. Okay, total quantity berapa yang kita nampak tadi, 0.042, right? And tengok dia boleh set semua order dekat sini, so you can see all the scaled orders here, right? All these scaled orders korang boleh adjust dekat sini. So berapa order korang nak, let's say kalau nak 10 order pun boleh. Nampak all these orders dia akan set dekat sini. And korang boleh set korang nak dia open macam mana. Kalau korang nak dia open dari atas, korang set macam ni, increasing. Okay, increasing dia akan start dari bawah. Kalau decreasing, okay, kalau decreasing dia akan start dari atas. Kalau flat, I'm not sure. 33601 3360. Okay, flat dia akan start dari atas juga. Right, so ratio pun korang boleh split. So korang nak start order evenly, maksudnya dia split sama rata, atau korang nak dia besarkan order. That means kecil, lagi besar, lagi besar, lagi besar, lagi besar. Right, so tengok, nampak ratio dia sini. If we split it, increasing, dia akan start dengan kecil, and it will slowly open bigger and bigger trades, right? So something you can play around with. So contoh, saya open long sini ya. Oops, sorry. Ini tak boleh sebab dia 0. So kita tukar pergi evenly split. Open long. Maybe saya set 5 sebab saya tak nak open sangat banyak trade. Open long, boom. And we can see here, current orders are open. So nampak semua Bitcoin order sudah open dekat bawah ni. So that's how you can enter scaled orders in Bybit. Alright, so saya akan buat another tutorial just for this, maybe on my TikTok, so stay tuned over there. What were we talking about just now? Yeah, feed fee. So feed fee, maybe korang boleh set your scaled orders dalam zone ni. Yeah, from this golden pocket 4147 all the way down, maybe until here 3902. Yeah, I was testing it out yesterday. Korang boleh nampak sini, saya sudah test for feed fee here. So I still have a lot of feed fee orders yang sedang open, right? Yeah, and one more thing, saya buat poll di YouTube. Recently saya telah scalping. Yeah, so scalping Solana, scalping Link, scalping Bitcoin, and it has been very very fun to scalp, especially bila kita boleh nampak market sedang trending, right? Even dekat lower time frame 15 minutes kita nampak dia trending, we can start to scalp. And kalau kita bernasib baik, or if our analysis is on point, scalp boleh menjadi swing trade. That means kita hold and farm dia punya profit lama-lama. Right, so if you guys nak saya buat video untuk explain scalping strategy ni, make sure you guys comment kat bawah, like video ni, so that I know you guys are watching the video and that you guys support the video. Okay, so that's all untuk kali ni. By the way, if you guys nak dapatkan trade macam ni yang saya share dalam group, yang saya share dalam video, you guys nak dapat on the spot trades dan juga signals dan juga tutorials, make sure you guys join the elite circle. Saya akan letak link di bawah. It's free to join. Yeah, so take advantage of it while the bull market, before the bull market actually starts, sebab kita baru saja break this year's high, right? So make sure you guys are prepared. See you in the elite circle.